Hiya, I'm Katerina, your HSP English teacher, and welcome to today's learning adventure. I hope you will have fun today. Today, let's talk about something that I know many of you secretly worry about, making mistakes in English. But guess what? Mistakes are actually a good thing, and you should be proud of them. Yes, you heard that right. Are you ready? So, here is something I want to share with you. After I got an IELTS 8.0, I actually felt more pressure, not less. I thought, I'm a teacher, I got this high score, and so now I'm not allowed to make mistakes anymore. But you know what? Even native speakers make mistakes all the time. And the truth is, learning a language never really ends, even for teachers. Well, especially for teachers. We need to keep growing, not to be perfect, but so we can understand where students struggle. We need to feel that pain so we can help guide you better. So don't worry, making mistakes is a sign you are pushing yourself, you are challenging yourself. So let's shift the way we think about mistakes. If you're not making mistakes, it could mean you're staying in your comfort zone. Or maybe you're not really using the language at all. You're not challenging yourself. But there is the important part. Mistakes don't equal failure. They mean you're trying, you're stepping out and making progress. Now let's try a mindset shift. Instead of thinking, I shouldn't make mistakes, try asking yourself this question. What has English brought me? For me, English has brought me so many amazing things, new friends, exciting opportunities, and so much joy. But none of that came from being perfect. It came from using English and growing through those mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes. And, well, you will too. So, let me give you some tips for your growth to help you be better and make your level even more advanced. So why don't we hear about the gentle tips I'm going to share with you today. So let's wrap up this with some gentle tips for your own language growth. For active learners, for learners who really want to improve their skills in a short period, if you are studying actively, make sure to schedule some time each week to get feedback, whether that's from a tutor, a teacher, or even yourself. You can record your voice or video and reflect on it, and it can be really super helpful. For language lovers like myself, if you are a language nerd and if English is more of a hobby for you, just enjoy watching light videos like Common Mistakes in English or Journal in English. Don't forget to use AI tools to check your writing, but always double check with an advanced learner or a native speaker if you're unsure about your mistakes. And for those who are just taking it easy, if you're just enjoying English and not in a rush, casual conversation lessons can help with confidence. But remember, just chatting alone will not be the quickest way to improve. You always have to get feedback from someone, especially from someone who is more advanced than you. So I'm going to cover it in the future videos. But again, just chatting with someone will not bring you to the next level. So you can use a person or an AI tool, but always seek feedback and make sure you know where you made a mistake. So that's the most important part of this way of learning English. So yeah, you need different methods and different approach depending on where you are on your English journey. So, thank you so much for joining me today. It was my first ever English online, and it's my first video ever, which is going to be on YouTube. So, thank you so much for joining me today to explore your unique learning journey. I know it's not always easy, but you can improve and you can do it faster and more efficiently with the right approach. If this video was helpful for you, hit subscribe and join me for the next one. Thank you so much and see you soon.